Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. $0 to $1,000. Step-by-step 2025 guide. This changed my life. Fast-paced montage of luxury items, a laptop on a beach, cash counting. What if I told you, you could make money just by recommending products? No inventory, no boss, number 9 to 5. Just your phone or laptop. That's affiliate marketing, and today, I'm giving you the exact roadmap I used to go from $0 to $10,000 per month. If you're ready to start, smash that like button and let's dive in. What is affiliate marketing? Person clicks link right pointing arrow buys product right pointing arrow affiliate gets money. Think of it like this. You tell your friend about an awesome blender on Amazon. They buy it using your special link, and Amazon pays you $10. That's it. No shipping, no customer service, just free money for sharing stuff you love. Key points. Checkmark, you don't need a product. Checkmark, no customer support needed. Checkmark, works with any niche, fitness, tech, pets, etc. Step 1. Picking a niche. The goldmine formula. Show 3 columns. Passion, profitability, low competition. Your niche equals your money zone. But how do you pick? Ask yourself. 1. Do I love this? E.g., gaming, fitness, cooking. 2. Does it make money? Check Amazon best sellers. 3. Is it too crowded? Avoid weight loss. Try vegan weight loss for moms instead. Pro tip. Search niche plus affiliate program on Google. If big brands have programs, it's profitable. Step 2. Best affiliate programs for beginners. Signing up for Amazon Associates plus ClickBank. Start with these beginner-friendly programs. 1. Amazon Associates, easy but low commissions. 2. ShareASale, great for fashion, home goods. 3. ClickBank, digital products equals high payouts. 4. CJ Affiliate, big brands like Lowe's, Priceline. 5. eBay Partner Network, alternative to Amazon. Warning. Avoid scams. Stick to trusted networks like these. Step 3. Where to promote, no website needed. Blog versus YouTube versus TikTok versus Instagram. You don't need a website. Try these instead. Checkmark Instagram, TikTok, post product reviews, e.g., this $20 gadget saved my mornings. Checkmark YouTube Shorts 60-second tutorials, e.g., best budget cameras for vlogging. Checkmark Pinterest, create pins linking to your affiliate products. Checkmark Facebook groups, answer questions with your affiliate link. Pro tip. Repurpose content. Turn a TikTok into a YouTube short and a Pinterest pin. Step 4. Creating content that converts. Before, after. Boring post versus engaging storytelling. Nobody likes ads, so don't make one. Instead, tell a story. Crossmark. Buy this blender. Checkmark. I hated mornings until I tried this $50 blender. Here's why. Formula. 1. Problem, e.g., tired of slow blenders? 2. Solution. This one crushes ice in seconds. 3. Proof. Here's my smoothie before, after. 4. CTA. Link in bio to grab yours. Step 5. Driving traffic. Free and paid methods. Whiteboard. SEO versus Pinterest versus paid ads. Traffic equals money. Here's how to get it. Free methods. Checkmark SEO. Use free tools like Uber Suggest for keywords. Checkmark Pinterest. Post 3x per week. I got 50K monthly views doing this. Checkmark Facebook groups. Share helpful tips plus your link. Flying money paid methods. Scaling up. Checkmark Facebook ads. $5 per day testing. Checkmark YouTube ads for long-term growth. Final tips plus CTA. Your turn. Text overlay. You're one step away from your first sale? The number one mistake? Giving up too soon. It takes 30-60 days to see results. Track your links, test different content, and scale what works. Down finger comment below ready, if you're starting today. I'm giving away my affiliate marketing checklist. Drop a money bag in the comments and I'll DM you the link. Subscribe plus next video teaser. How I made $5,000 in 30 days with affiliate marketing.